Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're back with another reaction, and this time we're checking out not a song, it's a video जिसमें एक नेपाली लड़का है जो बहुत वायरल हो रहा है वर्ल्ड वाइड, क्योंकि उसकी जो स्पीच देने का तरीका है वो हिटलर जैसे है. तो he is being famous for a weird reason, to be honest, but we are checking out कि किस तरीके से वो बोल रहा है, क्या कैसे, मतलब क्या वो बिल्कुल एडोल्फ हिटलर जैसा ही लग रहा है. बट
मैंने अभी तक देखी नहीं है, बट
मैंने भी नहीं देखी है ब्रो, इट्स माय फर्स्ट टाइम. पर क्योंकि मेरी रिकमेंडेशन में काफ़ी बार आ गया है, उस पर लिखा हुआ था कि नेपाली बॉय डिलीवरिंग अ स्पीच जस्ट लाइक एडोल्फ हिटलर.
Today I stand here with a dream of building a new Nepal, with a fire of hope and passion burning within me.
Oh my
But my heart is heavy because this dream seems to be slipping away.
Oh,
Rise and shines, futures of this upcoming
Exactly like
imperial
it.
empire. I, Oshkar Raut, the head boy of this everlasting imperial institute, Holy
He's
Bell
the
English
head
Secondary
boy.
School, welcomes you with open arms to our
Everybody's
24th
so
annual
serious.
program. I put myself before you this moment to shed light within your consciousness by piercing the dark nimbus that circles above you.
oh my god.
I am present here today to immortalize a monumental change in the course of history. Nepal, our mother, this country gave us birth, nurtured us. But what did it ask in return?
And look at the kids.
Just our honesty,
taking inspiration.
our hard work, our contribution. But what are we doing? We are bounded by the chains of unemployment, fleeing abroad in search of opportunities. We are trapped by the selfish games of political parties.
Oh my.
Corruption has woven a web that is extinguishing the light of our futures. Youth,
We need a
rise.
speaker like him
We are the
here.
torch bearers of change. If you do not raise our voices, who will? If you do not raise our voices, who will? If you do not build this nation, who will?
Exactly.
We are the fire that will burn away the darkness. We are the storm that will sweep away injustice and bring prosperity.
His accent though. Come on, boy, let's go.
Our ancestors shed their blood to give us this nation. We cannot sell it. We cannot lose it. We are the fire. We will burn every despair away. Now we must decide. Now we must decide. Will we drown in the darkness of despair or rise as the sun of hope?
Yes.
Will we change the fate of this nation or will we let it remain in shackles? King Birendra once said, even if I die, shall my country live on? All the youths carry these words in your heart and engrave a monument of change in the course of history. Nepal is ours and its future is in our hands. Jai Yuva! Jai Nepal!
जय नेपाल, लेट्स गो.
Wow.
Oh my god. पता है हिटलर की सबसे ज़्यादा, मतलब उसकी स्पीच की सबसे ज़्यादा मेन जो बात थी ना, जो उसको सबसे अलग बनाती थी, अलग एक लीडर बनाती थी, एक स्पीकर बनाती थी, वो ये था कि वो इतनी मोटिवेशन से, इतनी मतलब पेट्रियोटिज्म से वो स्पीच देता था कि मतलब आप यू जस्ट कांट हेल्प बट टू फील समथिंग अबाउट योर कंट्री. मतलब इतना वो ब्रेन वॉश कर देता था, मतलब इतनी वैसे तरीके से स्पीच देता था कि मतलब अगर तू एजुकेटेड भी, अगर यू नो एवरीथिंग, पर स्टिल मैंने सुनी है तो नो, एंड ही साउंड एग्जैक्टली लाइक हिम. एंड आई think, to be honest, in the days like this we need speakers like him for the right purpose, of course. And वाह, मेरे को इतनी बार गुज़बम्स भी आ गए. इसने इस तरीके से मतलब लाइक लिखी हुई थी, इस तरीके से वो बोल रहा था, कहाँ पे यू नो कहाँ पे इसको किसी पर्टिकुलर फ्रेज पे या
Highlight करना,
फोकस करना था या प्रेशर करना, जो अमेजिंग.
सारे टीचर्स भी शॉक लग रहे थे.
हाँ, everybody was recording with just kind of like
लास्ट में जो
celebrity.
लाइन, वो लाइट चेंज हुई थी, मतलब कि
हाँ.
उसके ऊपर फोकस है, लाइक वो लीडर बोल रहा है.
टेरिफिक, क्रेजी. वाओ. तो अब पता चला कि क्यों इतना फेमस हो रहा था.
हाँ.
somebody commented when bro was born, the doctor said congratulations, it's addicted.
Oh my God.
हरे कृष्ण। Oh my God। हाँ, लग रहा है कि आगे जाके बंदा बन सकता है पॉलिटिशियन।
Politician,
हाँ, एक अच्छा स्पीकर तो है ही, और जो कि एक पॉलिटिशियन को होना चाहिए सबसे पहले, तो वो तो है ही। और अगर you know he goes in a good faith, he would do something for his country. We really enjoyed this
Yes.
video. I mean,
Really.
it was, yeah. So we really enjoyed it, and I think Nepal's future is in good hands. If there are people like, I mean, there were kids in the crowd who were like looking at him with so much, you know,
Hopeful eyes.
like hopeful, and like so much admiration and so much like, wow, look at him. And he's like an inspiration now. So that's a good thing. So that is it for today, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.
Bye bye.